Hello friends, on this video how you can fix your charging problem on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, if you are charging your mobile phone and you are playing games or watching videos or watching short video, then please ignore this way. Okay, when your mobile phone is in full charge, then only you can watch, you can play your mobile phones. Okay, if your mobile phone is in battery low, then don't use your mobile phone when it's charging. Okay, this will solve your charging problem. And friends, here you can check your maybe your adapter problem or your cable wire problem or your mobile phone problem, which one there is the problem. You should know which one is creating problem. Okay, you have to check that, then after that only you can solve your problem. Okay, and friends, if it doesn't solve by just doing this also, you know the problem, then first of all do not forget to software update. Okay, if you don't know, they just move on setting and here just search for this software. Okay, here if you don't get the result, then it's okay. From here you can just move on setting, just move on systems, and from here is to system update. Okay, so you can check from here online updates and the local updates. Okay, and friends, if your battery is ruining by itself only, you want to solve your ruin problem, then suppose you are not using some apps, example like this one, Google Earth, Yo Party, or phone, example like this, all apps you are not using, X Arena, X Club, then you just press on this app, and if you cannot uninstall this app, just move on app info. When you move on app info, from here you can just disable this app. Okay, please disable this app if you are not using. This will help your ruin battery problem. And friends, if you are not using some apps that you have been installed, then you can uninstall that apps. Okay, this also will solve your problem. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.